Good morning, 8th class student. Myself, S.P. Kelkar, math teacher from Dan Prakash Vidya Mandir, Aurangabad. Now, today we are going to study the new chapter, chapter number 5, expansion formulae. Now, in this expansion formulae, the initial three expansions are already done in the 7th class, that is the a plus b bracket square, a minus b bracket square, and third is a plus b in one bracket, second bracket a minus b. These three formulas are already done in 7th class, but we again recall them. See, the expansion of a plus b bracket square equal to a square plus twice ab plus b square. Now we use this expansion by taking the example x plus 4 bracket square equal to square of first term. Now this is the first term and this is the second term. Square of first term x square plus twice into product of first term and second term, 2 into first term into second term plus second term square. Then we square this, x square is x square, then 2 into x into 4, 4 to the 8, 8x plus square of 4 is 16. Now we again take second example, x plus 2y bracket square. Now square of first term plus 2 into first term into second term, x into 2y plus square of second term, 2y bracket square. Now square of x is x square plus 2 into 2, 4, x into y, xy, 4xy plus 2y square, 2 square, 4, y square. Then x square plus 4xy plus 4y square. In this way we complete this example. Then see the second expansion, a minus b bracket square equal to a square minus twice ab plus b square. Now we use this expansion in this example, x minus 3 bracket square equal to square of first term minus 2 into first term into second term minus 2 into first term into second term plus square of second term. Then square of x is x square, then minus 2 into 3 minus 6 into x minus 6x plus square of 3, 9. Then take again second example, 2x minus 5y bracket square equal to square of first term minus 2 into first term into second term minus 2 into first term into second term plus square of second term. Then square of first term is 4x square, then minus 2 into 5 means minus 2 into 2 minus 4 into 5 minus 20, x into y xy plus 5y square is 25y square. Now third expansion is a minus b in one bracket and a plus b in second bracket equal to a square minus b square. Now we use the example, that is 3m plus 5n in one bracket, in second bracket 3m minus 5n, we get here 3m bracket square minus 5n bracket square, that is the 3m square is 9m square, 5n square is minus 25 n square. Now again second example, 7 in one bracket, 7 plus 5, second bracket 7 minus 5. Then we get here 7 square minus 5 square. 7 square is 49 and 5 square is 25. Then we get here subtraction, 49 minus 25 equal to 24. Then we used again the expansion of a plus b bracket square, this square of 101 equal to in one bracket 100 plus 1 means we use the expansion of this a plus b bracket square. Now we square this 101 by using the expansion formula, that is the square of first term plus 2 into first term into second term, 2 into 100 into 1 plus square of second term 1 square, then the square of 100 is 10,000 and 2 into 100 200 into 1 again 200 plus 1 square is 1. Then sum of these three, that is we get the 10,201. Now again we use the another expansion, that is a minus b bracket square. 98 square equal to, we can write down 100 minus 2 bracket square, means we use this a minus b bracket square expansion. See the first term square. First term square, 100 square is 10,000 minus 2 into first term into second term, plus second term square, then 10,000 minus 2 into 2 minus 4 minus 4 into 100 minus 400 plus 2 square is 4, then 10,000 minus 400 we get 9,604. Now from this 10,000 plus 4, 10,004 minus 400, we get here 9,604. In this way we completely solve this example by using the expansion formulae, which are the already done in the 7th class. We here let's recall the expansion formulas. Good day, goodbye, okay.